Hello, birds. Hello, white fluffy bird. Don't open your mouth at me like that. And don't stare at the camera like you're gonna kill me. Please don't. Birdies. You fluffy yellow ones and you fluffy white ones. Good boys. Bro, I like your music, bro. You guys eat seeds, don't you? Do you like rice?
No,
You don't like rice, bro?
rice for you, not for me.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you in the next day.